Meet your Green Ever ceiling fan. Safety first, make sure to turn off the main power at your circuit breaker. Let's get started. Insert the blade into the motor slot, align the holes and tighten the screws. Repeat this for all blades until they are firmly attached. Next, remove the 3 pre-installed screws from the motor. Align the light kit and secure it using the screws you just removed. Connect the light kit wire plugs together. Then, twist the shade to lock it in place. Now connect the motor wires to the receiver. Just match the wire bundles. Lift and hang the fan. Rotate until it locks into the groove. Tighten all green wires to prevent flickering. Then match inputs, black to black, white to white. Note, wires are shown outside for clarity. In actual installation, please tuck them all neatly inside the canopy. Slide the canopy up over the bracket. Twist clockwise to lock it in place, then tighten the screws securely. Installation complete. Use the remote to control the light and fan speed. Enjoy your Green Ever fan.